CAE shifter, racing shifter. This is Ray, aka
What's up?
M3 rod bearing master.
No.
Yeah, would you like to tell us about your CAE shifters,
shifter?
how it works and
I like it. This has a reverse lockout. Pull up the collar. You can see the mechanism move in and out. So if I don't pull the collar and try to put it in reverse, it'll just go back to first gear.
how do you like it so far?
It's pretty good. I like it. It feels very mechanical and solid. So I pull this and then you go further in and it'll go into reverse.
Nice.
First, second.
I love it.
Very short ratios, nice and tight.
Damn.
Easy to reach.
Notchy.
Yeah, it's very notchy.
He puts tons of money into this car. Carbon fiber everywhere. Sunroof delete. OMP. Big turbo. How many horses you pushing?
750.
750. 750 horses M3. E46 M3, the best M3 they ever built. OMP. Halo seats. Roll bars. Beautiful. Thank you, Ray.
No problem.